What is the goal of life, and how can it be achieved?
My whole life I have been telling you, there is no goal. Life is its own goal. There is nothing outside life that you have to achieve. All achievement is the projection of the ego. The very idea of achievement is ambition. What you achieve does not matter. Money, power, knowledge, but these are not in any way going to give you life. In fact, in achieving power, in achieving money, in achieving prestige, in achieving any other ambition, you are losing your life. You are sacrificing your life. You are involved into stupid things. And by the side, the life goes on slipping out of your hands. You will realize it only at the time of death. With a shock that I have been trying to achieve the goal of life and I forgot life itself. The goal is always in the future and life is always here. The goal is always far away. And life is in this very moment.